In today's video, I will walk you through how to add indicators on dYdX charts. To get started, navigate to the dYdX trading interface and open the market you want to analyze. Once the trading page loads, you'll see the Trading View chart in the center of the screen. At the top of the chart, locate the Indicators button. Select it to open the Indicators library. This menu contains a wide variety of technical analysis tools that you can apply to your chart. You can browse through the available categories or use the search bar to quickly find a specific indicator. Simply type the name of the indicator you're looking for, and matching results will appear as you type. When you find the indicator you want to use, click on its name. The indicator is immediately added to your chart, allowing you to view its values alongside the current price action. Depending on the indicator you choose, it may appear directly on the price chart or in a separate panel below the chart. You aren't limited to just one indicator. You can add multiple indicators to the same chart if you want to compare different types of market analysis. For example, some traders combine trend indicators with momentum indicators to gain additional insights before entering a trade. And that's how to add indicators on dYdX charts.